Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Just looking at the US 100 on the daily. So we've got this distribution level up here. We've got sell side liquidity resting under this previous daily low. It hasn't quite reached into it. It's had a bit of a stab at it here. This daily low here, I guess. So we've got this liquidity under this red candle. Okay, it's spiked down. No, we could pull that up through there. That's fine. It's spiked down into it, and I'm wondering whether this is setting up now for a decent retrace. We've got this price gap. I'm thinking that the market could trade through here, looking for this balance area up above. So this is what I've got marked up on the daily. Let's just have a look at it on the 4H, and we'll just work our way down the time frames and get a bit of a picture here. So on the 4H, we've got, if you have a look at this red candle, we've got candle left, candle right. We could pull that through. So we've got this price gap on the 4H nested with this daily. This would be definitely a point of interest for me at the moment. We've got this range, this balance area through here. We could pull that through. 4H, that's a target. 4H. See this. Actually, we'll have a look at this closer on the lower time frame, but we've got this double bottom, and then it kind of wicked down a little further, did the same thing again, and I'm wondering whether this is gearing up here to do something like that. Right, so what I would like to see would be like a higher low, and then we start to see these higher highs, higher lows, and some sort of a trend forming. So it dips down in here, we get a bit of a higher low, higher than these levels, and then it starts grinding its way up. That's what I'm thinking could happen, given that we've tapped down into liquidity under here. Is that enough then to drive it up? That's the question. So the other thing too we could do with this is, from a Fibonacci perspective, given that we've got this trend, 4-hour, lower lows, lower highs, and we grab a fib. Let's just pull the fib from the high here down to the low and just have a look and see what that looks like. What I'm usually looking for in a 4-hour trending market is, I mean, look, you can get a shallow pullback. That could be enough, and it trades lower, and we're off. See the 61.8786, this yellow zone, coincides beautifully with this price gap here. I'd be reluctant to sell here. I'd like to see a move back up into these levels. That would encourage me to sell, as long as we see it like a lower low here. We've got this 4-hour break of structure here, and daily. We've got this lower high here. Yeah, it's just a little bit shallow. Like we've just pulled, but yeah, 50%. I mean, it has touched the 61.8 more or less. I guess, look, if I was going to get involved with this, what I would want to do would be, I don't trust Fridays, that's what I'm trying to say. Look, I'd go in with a very small position here, but this is the daily order block up here. If you're going to be trading 4-hour, then if that's going to be a market entry, I probably wouldn't do it myself, because I don't think this is going to hold here. Anyway, that could be a thing. And then I'm more interested in selling up around in here. That would be my preferred entry. So look, you know what, to be honest, I'd be willing to let that go, and I think this would be my play, something like that. I much prefer this idea. So we've got this price gap. We set up a limit sell in through this price gap here. Take that out. I'm inclined to set up 2 of these. See this 4-hour order block up here? I would set up another limit sell midway through there, just under. That's ideally how I would like to get involved with this. Something like that. And that's a play on the 4-hour. Keep in mind that this could blow through. The lower the time frame, the more that these levels will get taken out. The 4-hour gives us pretty consistent wins, but you will see occasionally this will push through a 4-hour and head for the daily distribution level up here. That would be something you want to be careful. So you want to manage your risk well, but I think for me, that's what I'd like to see now. If this rolls over here and trades south and leaves me behind, so be it. I'm not willing to get involved with that. You know, it's Friday. I'm very reluctant to trade on Fridays, guys, even Mondays. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are my days. A lot of my friends, trader friends, won't trade Friday and Monday. You don't want to get caught with negative positions either. And if you're trading a prop firm account, especially ones that, you know, don't allow holding trades over the weekend, you don't want to get caught negative on a Friday and have to close at a loss. So look, that's my take on the US 100. By the way, guys, click the link below. Join our free Telegram group. I'd love to see you in there. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.